Hello everyone, Rikisha and I are heading to Seven Sisters Waterfall today. It's a bit gloomy today and we're waiting for one more person. So in the meantime, we'll just walk up. Yeah. Yeah, very cold. What you want to do? It's not bad, you know. No, it's not too bad.
Look at all the fog and the rain.
Yeah, it's foggy. For the past few days, it has been raining a lot. So, one of the reasons why I haven't been going anywhere. Rikisha is getting uneasy.
I'm putting my bath towel around me because I have cold. The rain drizzling. But that's me. We low blood people cannot handle cold weather, you know.
Wow, look at Rikisha.
Yes, I'm cold.
This is what a gloomy day feels like in the mountains.
Wow, we're high up.
And we're alone with a cow. Let me put Trotman on blast. This guy have us waiting here a whole 5 hours.
5 hours, freezing. I'll be bringing things to eat for that.
Yes. Outside freezing.
So I will freeze to death.
Hi.
Say granny walking stick.
Thank you.
Guys, we off to the track. Seven Sisters. Go ahead. Yeah. Got company. Yeah. Track wet, slippery. Oh my, the stick. I'm falling back and back. She can't make it. Falling back and back. She was leading.
Back in front.
She was leading once upon a time. Almost reached the waterfall. Let me get them across the river first. You going up on the top one?
What do you want to do?
The top one there up so? Or the pass up so?
Want to put it and then come back?
Yeah, anything you want to do?
So we're heading to the other waterfall at the moment. This thing is that steep. We supposed to climb that? Oh my gosh. That's like just walking up a... Can't make that. Me tell you down here.
Let's go, you.
These people climbing this thing like nothing. I'm honestly thinking about joining a gym. What, we lost?
Man lost us.
So apparently we are lost.
It was supposed to be down there.
But Kimon is the one in front. Kimon lost us. So, but where we were supposed to be going?
Down by the one that you say shit like a hot, we had to track somebody.
So you have to head back. I have to go down on the ground. See? Oh!
No, I don't know the road. I just saw the track. When he was coming up. I never come on the back here.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, did I pick down there?
I can't get up! I can't even get up! Oh, I don't want no picture.
Let's lambar. Região City. Região. É isso que tá. We still go back home anyway.
That looks so good. A what? Yeah. Just take a nice little seat right there. Okay, so now we are back down where we started. I didn't record coming back because, I mean, it's the same road. Initially, we said we were not going to bed, but we are because I'm sweating like crazy and so is Rikisha. Rikisha and I are about to take our first step into the water. Okay, so I've changed my mind. It's way too cold.
The other way wasn't gonna work. Get a picture more. I'm gonna beat them.
Oh, no.
I just have my foot.